Here's a 1972 Plymouth Duster two-door sports hardtop at Unique Specialty and Classics. 225 slant inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering AC. AC blows cold. Factory AC car, actually. Take a look at the front. Chrome bumper, grille. You can see we get a couple slats missing in here. Make you aware of that. Honeydew would be the color of this vehicle, according to the fender tag. Also included with the purchase, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Phone number to call in, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Gold Duster. Now, in the early 70s, there were a multitude of packages. Silver Duster, Gold Duster, Feather Duster, and more. Maybe the experts out there on Plymouth Dusters can tell, if you can tell an authentic Gold Duster package. I know this one does have the canopy vinyl roof, and they would have been produced with this back in '72, and you can kind of see it's like a snake skin or eel or lizard skin, I guess if you would, snake skin or lizard skin, but kind of cool finish to it. Down below there is some corrosion, and you'll see that in the underside pictures. You'll be able to check that out just along the lower rockers. Just a few little spots, show you on the other side too. Fun car, get in, turn the key, go drive it. Enjoy it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local car shows. We're going to fire this one up at the end of the video, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. Remember that AC blows cold, you got power steering. Drive it, have some fun. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Of course, the Duster sticker on the rear. You also see the fender tag, like I mentioned earlier, in the still pictures. If you like to do any decoding on there yourself, feel free to. It does have the luxury vinyl bent seat in gold in the interior. Previous owner says there has been some vinyl that was reupholstered in there. We're going to take a look at the interior here in just a minute. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. And 507-386-1726. Phone number to call. Take a look down the driver's side, rear to the front. And this is right, we kind of want to show you just a couple of little spots down the bottom that you can see. And again, there'll be better shots when we have it up in the hoist, and you can take a peek at it in the still pictures there also. Some of the equipment that you're going to find this was produced with from that fender tag, 3-speed wipers, which are working on this car. Drip rails, as you can see. AM radio, I've had that power up and get some static. I don't know if it's some indoors here or what have you, but I did not get reception from any stations. It does power up, there's some static. And left hand remote mirror. That is also still intact. Take a look at this interior. Panels. Be able to see the carpeting. I did take out the floor mat, shoot the carpeting up. Carpeting is in nice shape. And then here's your seats. A little bit of wear on the bottom of that driver's side right there. I believe the bottom part, it looks like, is the part that was reupholstered. Maybe the back's still original. Back seat looked good. Check it out in the still pictures. But that headliner looks good. Shoulder belts, way it should be. Fire this up. Like I said, this thing will pop off instantly. It's just every time, boom. It's a good running car. Odometer reads 32,235. Tell you what, judging at some of the interior, it's tough to tell original or not. Unfortunately, I can't confirm or deny. Once the vehicle becomes a certain age, that mileage is marked exempt on the title. So unfortunately, I can't confirm that. As you can see here, factory AC car, top of the dash, looks good. Slip around to the back seat here, let's run. Door closes nicely. Just kind of what you'd expect. Nothing crazy over the top with a 225 inline six. And let's slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. We'll pop this hood, check out the engine bay, see how it looks underneath there. And here we go, the hood open to the underside of that, and the engine bay. So again, 225, slant six, power steering, AC, factory AC car. Heater hoses still hooked up. You did see there's a battery disconnect on this one also. Sounds good. 1972 Plymouth Duster. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Included. May be extendable to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Plymouth Gold Duster. This is an automatic on the column. All our gauges are reading properly. The alternator is charging. The temperature is about a quarter of the gauge, and the fuel is showing full.
He's got contact.
Our AM radio does work. Speedometer is reading accurately. It's a very easy to steer car. Good power steering. Suspension is smooth riding. Our wipers work. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays straight in the lane. Our brakes work well. Let's go through the corner here and accelerate one more time. It's a very good condition car. Seems well maintained. Interior's in nice shape. No cracks on the dash. It says 32,233 miles on the odometer. Really smooth running Duster. Check this out at UniqueClassicCars.com.